Hi there! It's time for NHK World Japan's Easy Japanese. I'm Mariko Kojima.
And I'm Michael Reese. Let's have fun learning Japanese together.
Today we bring you Lesson 31. More on how to invite someone to do something with you.
Tam, Mia, and Kaito are talking at Harusan house when Mike drops by. Mike is an American who loves Japanese culture. He's planning to go to the Ninja Museum with Kaito, so he's come over to work out the details.
Listen to the skit for Lesson 31.
今度の土曜日、カイトと忍者博物館に行きます。
マイクさんは本当に忍者が好きですね。
はい。みんなで一緒に行きませんか？
あ、土曜日はちょっと。私も授業があります。
残念。じゃあ2人で行こう。
Now let's go over the skit line by line.
Mike speaks to Tam and Mia.
今度の土曜日、カイトと忍者博物館に行きます。
I'm going to the Ninja Museum with Kaito this Saturday.
Mia says,
マイクさんは本当に忍者が好きですね。
Mike-san, you really like ninja, don't you?
Mike invites them to come along.
はい。みんなで一緒に行きませんか？
Yeah, why don't we all go together?
Mia says regretfully,
あ、土曜日はちょっと。
Oh, Saturday isn't good for me.
Tam also says,
私も授業があります。
I have classes too.
Kaito says,
残念。
Too bad.
じゃあ2人で行こう。
Then it'll just be the two of us going.
well, it's too bad Tam and Mia can't make it.
The museum that Mike and Kaito are planning to visit is in Mie Prefecture. Iga Ueno is known as the hometown of ninja. The museum offers ninja house tours and a ninja show.
Today's key phrase is, why don't we all go together?
一緒に行きませんか？
If you remember this phrase, you'll be able to offer invitations.
Let's review what it means. 一緒に means together, right? Ikimasen is the polite negative expression of the verb to go, 行く. Adding the interrogative particle ka turns it into an invitational expression. Today's point is this expression.
一緒に行きませんか?
The invitation is formed by changing the masu of a masu form verb into masen, adding ka at the end and raising the intonation.
Listen and repeat.
行きませんか? 一緒に行きませんか?
Now listen to a conversation of someone making an invitation.
今晩、一緒にご飯を食べに行きませんか？いいですね。行きましょう。
Here's what it means.
今晩、一緒にご飯を食べに行きませんか？
Why don't we go out for dinner tonight?
今晩 means tonight. 一緒に means together. And ご飯 means meal. So ご飯を食べに行く means to go out for a meal. 行く to go is changed to 行きませんか to make an expression of invitation.
いいですね。行きましょう。
Sounds good. Let's go.
いいですね is used when agreeing to someone's idea. 行きましょう is 行く in the form of ましょう. In this conversation, it's the phrase for accepting the invitation.
In lesson 22, we learned that masho is used for an invitation, such as, let's take a photo, 写真を撮りましょう. So what's the difference between masenka and masho?
Well, masu has the nuance of encouraging the person to accept the invitation. On the other hand, masen is a polite expression you use when you want to check the other person's availability.
Okay, now listen and repeat.
ご飯を食べに行きませんか？一緒にご飯を食べに行きませんか？今晩一緒にご飯を食べに行きませんか？
Are you okay with that? Let's practice some other expressions of invitation. Now, what would you say if you wanted to have a barbecue with everyone? With everyone is...
みんなで
Have a barbecue is...
バーベキューをするバーベキューをする
The verb
する
in its masu form is...
しますします
Okay, go ahead.
みんなでバーベキューをしませんか？みんなでバーベキューをしませんか？
Got it? Today's bonus phrase is this line by Mia when she declines Mike's invitation. Try to remember the whole phrase.
土曜日はちょっと。
ちょっと originally means a little, but stretching out the ending and weakening the pitch to say ちょっと creates the nuance that you're reluctant to say what you have to say. It's often used for declining an offer or invitation. In other words, 土曜日はちょっと is a less direct way of just saying Saturday is not good for me, so I can't go.
Listen and repeat.
土曜日はちょっと
Listen to the skit once again.
今度の土曜日カイトと忍者博物館に行きます。
マイクさんは本当に忍者が好きですね。
はい、みんなで一緒に行きませんか？
あ、土曜日はちょっと。私も授業があります。
残念。じゃあ2人で行こ
う。マイクと一緒にポップカルチャー。
Next up, pop culture with Mike. Today's topic is, of course, ninja.
Their main missions were collecting information on enemies and carrying out conspiracies. The history of ninja is somewhat murky, but they were active around the 15th and 16th centuries during the age of rival warlords. The Igaryu ninja of Mie Prefecture and Kogaryu ninja of Shiga Prefecture are the most famous.
Their outfits seem to be tailor-made for sneaking around.
Actually, they often disguise themselves as merchants, monks, and traveling entertainers to make their way into enemy territory.
Didn't they also have some tricks, like magic?
The tricks you see in manga or movies are often made up, but the real ninja did have some slick moves. One of the most well-known is throwing shuriken ninja stars. They also had a way of walking silently. It allowed them to avoid detection. And then, of course, there were those disappearing techniques using smoke bombs. Ninja also understood medicine and meteorology. They sometimes applied psychology to complete their missions. Warlords valued them as technical experts, but much about their true activities still remains unknown. That mystery has a lot to do with their popularity.
Well, I think I could benefit from learning to sneak around a little better.
We hope you enjoyed today's Easy Japanese.
Join us again.